Hi guys, it's Wednesday, April 22nd. It's Mrs. DePietro, and I want to tell you a little bit about your lessons for today. So today you're going to start with a phonics video. On the phonics video, it gives you a reminder of how to get to Spelling City. So today after watching the phonics video, you can choose Headsprout or Spelling City. There's the link for Spelling City right there. We're working on Unit 29. You can play a few games with Unit 29. And reading and writing today, you're going to be clicking on the link and you're going to go to day 19, which is rocks and minerals. So if I click on the link, I will scroll down to day 19, rocks and minerals. You're going to begin by watching Sylvester and the Magic Pebble. After you watch Sylvester and the Magic Pebble, then I want you to tell a grown-up about the beginning of the story, the middle of the story, and the end of the story. Don't forget to use the characters' names when you're retelling the story. After that, you are going to read the book Rock Collecting and watch the video Rocks and Minerals. Your activity today is to do this rock collecting activity. So in this activity, you're going to go outside and you are going to look for an awesome rock to add to your collection. If you don't have a collection, you're starting a collection. I want you to keep the rock and I want you to describe the rock, the size, the shape, the color, the texture, how it feels. And then you're going to write that down, record that. So here's an example from Eva. And she said that she found a small, smooth gray rock with pink lines, and she found it on the sidewalk near the park. So that's what you're going to do today. I want you to keep your rock that you find and describe, because tomorrow you're going to be writing about your rock. You're also going to be reading for 15-20 minutes today, book of your choice. It can be on Raz Kids, it can be on Epic, a book you have at home, whatever you'd like. I hope you guys have an awesome day learning, and I'll talk to you soon.